Good evening. Today we are going to learn Oracle database. Now here different additional of database. Enter Enterprise additional. It is including superior platform and security. Now we are using Enterprise additional. Express additional. This is Enterprise additional. My system is Windows. I am using Express edition standalone, not a required enterprise additional. This is a mobile device, Oracle Live. Now let's go next. Seeing defined Oracle tutorial, we are going to learn. Now create a table. I want to insert a data in staging table. We have to create. This is a create table format. Just we are going to take this create a table customers data types. Control C. Just I am going to paste here. Control V. Now see here there is no table. Just refresh. No table. Now I am going to enter. See the table is created. Just refresh. This is a table. Okay. Table is created. Now see columns. Now I am going to add where is create a table. After create a table with a primary key. I am going to create a table with a primary key. Just see here. This is the constraints. Like that we are going to give this ID is primary key. Now customers. Now I am going to again add customers. Control V / enter. See here name is already existing. Just I am going to drop table. We are drop table customer or customers. Now click enter. See the table is dropped successfully. Just refresh. Just select this refresh. See here there is no table. Okay. Again I am going to create this customer ID is primary key. Constraints. Okay. Now click enter. Okay. The table is created. Okay. Just refresh. See here table is created. Right click constraints. See here my constraints. See customer primary key. This is a primary key. See here record position. ID is column and position 1. Okay. There is a data. There is no data. Empty data. Okay. Like that we created tables with a primary key. Okay. Primary key is a unique record. It will be unique. The column is unique. Now create table as. Now see here we have to create a table, new table using old table. This is a format create table. Control C. Just I am going to create a table as a statement. Okay. Now where is my just enter. Okay. Slash here right click here. Just choose numbers. Where is see here numbers. Okay. Line numbers. Now I am going to create a new table. New table. How what is the query? Just check. Create a new customer. Existing customers. Using existing table I am going to create table. If your data records is there, it will record also, data also will copy. Now there is no records, it table only created. Just refresh. See here, new customers with columns also same constraints. See here same column. Oh, it not came constraints. It not, yeah, now check. See here, this is a constraint position null. Okay, not null. I think it will accept the same way. Okay, using customer same columns. Okay, now we created as statement. Using as statement we created a table. Okay, same way we are going to see next. Same way create copying selected other tables, copying selected columns from other tables. Okay, this is a new customer ID and customer ID. Copying selected columns from other table. Now this is another as a statement. We are copying 2 columns from not 3 columns, just 2 columns only we are copying. Now go and enter slash. Okay, control V. See here, just 2 columns only we are copying from other tables. Just enter. Okay, again it created a new table. Okay, see here, it will check 2 columns. Okay, here we have 3 columns copied, star all columns. Here just 2 columns. Okay, this way we are completed selected columns from multiple tables. Okay, we created 2 tables. Using 2 tables we are going to copy again multiple. This is my existing slash. Okay, now I am going to create a regular customer. Okay, control enter. Regular customer is created. Okay, same way I am going to use the irregular customers. Okay, this is the irregular customers. Just going to copy. Now irregular customers both are created. Now what is the here requirement? Copying columns from both tables. Using both tables as a statement we are copying columns. Just using as statement, what we done, we copied entire old table require columns. Here copying multiple staging tables. See here, 2 staging tables columns. Last time just we copied only 1 staging table 2 columns. Here actually 3 columns there. Okay, like that. Now we are going to copied 2 staging table as a statement. 2 staging table, regular customer, irregular customer, where both columns ID is equal. The data will copy to in staging table. Now the staging tables are empty. Okay, what happened? Table view does not exist. Okay, just I'm going to check. Table view does not exist. Okay, refresh, select, refresh. Okay, irregular, regular. Okay, slash regular, enter. Okay, this I am going to explain next video. Okay, thank you for watching.